that opportunity, and it's going to be funny. It's going to be funny. All right, today I'm checking out Whose Line Is It Anyway. I'm watching sound effects, Charlie's Angels. Let's get into it.
You're going to do the sound effects for Ryan, and Karen, you're going to do sound effects for Colin. Colin's the bald one.
And Mark.
Yeah. Here's the scene. Ryan is one of Charlie's Angels, and Colin is Bosley. They receive instructions from Charlie to infiltrate a criminal mastermind's jungle headquarters, where his militia has kidnapped the other two angels. So you're going to do the sound effects for him. Take it away.
Sorry you're late, Charlie.
I'm Bosley.
Oh, sorry.
You can still hold him if you want. Look, I just got a message from Charlie. Can't you listen like normal people?
I'm sorry.
We have to go out to the jungle. They're being held captive by some mad dictator.
Who is?
The other angels.
Oh, there's more?
Yes. Get into the private angel plane.
I deflated them for
Good
Charlie.
idea.
It makes it easier for you to see.
Yeah. You know, we're traveling over water. In case there's a problem, you may have to inflate them again.
All right.
Slurp, slurp, slurp. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click.
Can I click some?
Please.
No. Click, 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 click.
I've got the deeper ones.
Seatbelts.
Click.
Ready?
I want to hope that your engine clicks when you start it up.
Now, listen to this.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Give it a little gas.
Oh, stop. Stop.
No. I turned on the muffle thing.
All right. What's that island look like, Charlie?
I'm Bosley.
Sorry.
Okay, I don't even remember Charlie's Angels like that, but I remember just growing up, everybody would do the little pose, whatever little hand signal they did. I probably have seen some Charlie Angels something, but it doesn't matter. I don't know who Bosley is, but it doesn't matter. And this could be a show that I've never even heard of. It's just the sound effects are going to be funny. And the sound, you got comedians who are going to make funnies out of the sound effects, like the plane. I didn't even think about when they stopped doing the plane noise. Oh no, the plane stopped. It's like, yeah, duh, the person's not going to be the whole time you're in the plane. It could be like 5 minutes. They're not going to be, I didn't even think about it. You know what I mean? But then you have the comedian, they see that opportunity, and it's going to be funny. It's going to be funny no matter what the show is. So me not knowing who Bosley is from Charlie's Angels, I feel like that doesn't even matter. Does not matter at all.
That's it right there. Put on your parachute.
Right. It's all wet.
Yeah. Well, I had to wash everything before we took it on the mission.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm going to put mine on.
Clump, 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 clump.
It's all clumped up.
Mine's made of bamboo.
Oh,
It's very light.
I'm ready.
All right. I'm going to open the door.
Crunch.
Who left this cereal here?
Sorry. It's all I eat.
Vroom.
Thank God it's not that windy up here. Oh, there we go.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Flop.
I hope I don't land in that pack of wolves.
Well, I landed in some soft sand.
Boom.
Look, that giant fortress there. That must be where they're digging.
Tiny natives. I didn't bring any weapons.
My pants are full of them. Here, we're gonna have to cut through the jungle part here. Use that machete.
Right.
Slash, slash, slash.
twist. Okay, we're gonna climb up over the north wall there. I'm scared, Charlie. I'm Bosley! Look! There's my driver's license.
All
Look!
Okay, I've got it.
What's my name? All right.
Quick, shoot something out of your pants that'll go over the wall that we can climb up. Okay, we'll be right back with more of Who's Lying special. CQ American Television. Running this. Don't go away.
What happened to this show? I guess it just had its run. It just had its run. They seem so good. You know what I mean? They seem so good. I like the concept. Like the whole sound effect. It's almost, well, no, it's not almost. I was gonna say almost like charades, but it's like kind of the opposite of charades. But you know what I'm saying? A similar game feel to something like that. I guess its heyday is just over, right? It doesn't still, this is 17 years ago on YouTube. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, not many shows are gonna be on for more than 17 seasons. That's crazy. I don't understand how network TV stuff works and why shows end. You would think that it's legitimately funny, so why did it? And Wild 'N Out is still going on. Wild 'N Out is still going on. They still got it. How many seasons of Wild 'N Out has there been? Why is this show dead in the water?
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.